In this trick, your puppy will learn to jump over your leg or your raised knee. Now with young puppies, we don't want to cause injury to their growing bones by having them jump or twist too much. Different breeds can handle different amounts of physical stress at different ages, so you'll want to check with your veterinarian before encouraging your puppy to jump. Now with any jumping trick, you want to make sure that the ground surface you're using has good traction because you don't want your puppy to slip and hurt himself on the floor. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to explain it this way. I'm going to start with my puppy on my left. I'm going to take a treat in my right hand. I'm going to kneel down and extend my right leg. Okay. Now I'm going to use my treat to lure my puppy over my leg. Hop. Very good. As soon as she jumps over my leg, I go ahead and give her the treat. So one more time. And start with my puppy on my left, lure her over. Hop. Good. Give her the treat as soon as she's gone over. Very nice. Now some puppies may not want to go over your leg. Some puppies may try and go around your leg, either to the front or the back. In that case, you could try doing this trick in a doorway so they have no choice but to go over your leg. You're still going to find some puppies that are a little bit apprehensive about sort of climbing over you. So you don't want to force your puppy to do it. Just kind of give him his time. Just keep luring him over and reassuring him. And once he gets over, give him the treat. Good girl, JD. Let's give that a try with some other puppies. And hop. Good. Nice job. And again, here. And hop. Good. And again. Next, we're going to teach our puppy to run circles around us, jumping over our leg each time. Now, if your puppy's big enough, you can even have your puppy jump over your knee instead of just your leg, and that makes it a little bit higher. See if JD could do this. Ready? JD, hop. Good. Now there's a high one. You can even teach your puppy to run around you in circles and jump over your leg repeatedly. I'm going to take treats in both of my hands. But I'm actually never going to give her a treat from my right hand. I'm just going to use my right hand to lure, and I'm always going to give her a treat from my left hand. So I'm going to have a treat in my right to lure, JD, hop, and then treat from my left hand. Lure with my right, treat from my left. Lure with my right, treat from my left. Very good. Now you have your puppy running in circles. Let's recap this trick. There you go.